This video introduces the procedure used to run OneCLI to securely erase HDDs and SSDs data. Open a command prompt window with administrator privileges. Go to the directory where you saved the utility. Run the command now shown on the screen to prepare the BMU environment. Run the OneCLI secure erase command to launch the BMU solution. OneCLI will boot the target host to the maintenance mode OS. After booting into the maintenance OS, OneCLI will scan all the available disks on the target server and the disks table will be displayed. Follow the hints to select the target disk and erase method. In this example, enter all to select all the disks and use the simple erase method on them. Enter yes to confirm the data deletion. The erasure of disks will take some time. A percentage progress figure will be displayed. When the operation is complete, the disk erase result will be displayed. Follow the hints to exit the maintenance OS or select another disk for data erasure.